Hi, welcome to the unboxing video for the July 2011 refresh of the Apple MacBook Air. This is not actually my MacBook Air, it belongs to my wife, and she's been kind enough to let me unbox it on her behalf. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. I've taken the courtesy of pre-cutting the box so we're not mucking around trying to get it open. But pretty much the only thing that is in the box is the MacBook Air. That's a look at the top. That's probably the right way around. And yeah, there's nothing much on the back, just some barcodes and stuff. So nothing too interesting there. And there's nothing else in the shipping box. So I'll just pop that there. So we'll just take the plastic off here. So this model that we're going to look at is the 11-inch MacBook Air, and we actually took the liberty of upgrading from the 2GB standard DDR3 RAM to 4GB, and we also went up to a 256GB solid state drive. So we'll just lift the lid there, and this is what's in the box. So first of all, we'll just have a look at what's in the side panel here. So you've got the duck head for the power adapter, which you have over here. Oh, excuse me. So that's the little duck head. I think that's, no, in fact no, there's probably a power adapter inside, so we'll get to that in a moment. So this bit plugs into the transformer, and the duck head plugs into the transformer, if I understand correctly. We'll just lift the, in fact we'll just lift out the MacBook Air. We'll just put that to one side for the moment. So here is the, so that's the transformer. So this end connects to the MacBook Air, so it's the MagSafe head, and on this end you can either plug this directly in the duck head, so if you want the brick on the power strip or straight into the wall, you can have that, or if you are a little further away from a power point, you can use this extension lead and get some added distance. So it's good that Apple have provided an extra length cable there. Fantastic. Let's pop this to one side. What else is in the box? Well, we have documentation, of course. So not sure if you can see that there, 11-inch MacBook Air. It's all the instructions on how to configure, customize, sharing disks, features, ports, multi-touch, taking care of it, utilities, etc., etc. So I'm sure we'll get into that a bit later on. Limited warranty, yada yada yada. Apple stickers, yay. And there's nothing else in there. I'll just see if there's, no, that's it in there, and no, that's it. I'll just pop that back in there. Now, notably, there's an absence of system restore disk. So I'm assuming that with the MacBook Air, there's a feature or something that will allow you to create your own restore disk, or there's a partition on the drive. So here is the MacBook Air. Just give you a quick look around. So that's the MagSafe, power port, USB port, headphones, another USB port on the side there, Thunderbolt port, so that's that ultra high speed port that Intel has devised, and see if I can unwrap it. So here it is. Just take off that screen protector, and that's the MacBook Air. And of course you have the webcam, or the FaceTime camera that they're calling it these days. You have a very large trackpad, which is very nice, and the island keys on the keyboard there. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. If you've enjoyed it, just make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'll try and get a preview video of the MacBook Air sometime soon. But as always, thanks for watching.